Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Traders, in this video, we are going to discuss support and resistance levels. This video is for the beginners. Okay, support and resistance, they are the basic ingredients of trading. Okay, so you need to watch the video very carefully. Onto the screens. This is the trend. Higher highs, higher lows. This is your resistance area, support, resistance, another support, resistance, and a support level. Okay, this is how the trend works. The higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and so on. And these are the trading opportunities in between. This is your trading opportunity. Sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, and a buy. Okay, this is how the trading methodology works. And if you are in a bearish trend, this will work like this, and this. Like this. The support, resistance, support, resistance, support, and a resistance. And these are your trading opportunities. Buy, sell, another buying opportunity, and a sell. On to the real-time charts. This is BTC USD. Now, if you watch the video carefully, this is your support area. And this is also your support area right over here. This is the resistance area, the blue box. If you see the trend, a bullish trend, shorting opportunity, and a bullish trend. You can use it on any time frame. Okay, and you may also add EMAs or stochastics or MACD to make a confirmation over here. You can see this consolidation, a reversal, a wick candle, a consolidation, and an upward move. Okay, so this is how the trading methodology works regarding the support and the resistance. The gold market, gold is, love for the traders because it's very volatile and very easy to trade regarding the support and the resistance. This is your support area. This is your support area. The resistance, the blue box, and then we have another support area right over here. I repeat, you can use it on any time frame you wish. Now, if you see the market, this was the buying opportunity, another buying opportunity, a resistance, and now an upward move. It's very easy. You can make a combination with MACD or stochastic or EMAs. It will work perfectly fine. So boys, if you are starting to trade, if you're interested in trading, and you want to make money in the forex market, then you need to understand the support and the resistance, that how it works. Okay, I've given you the easiest way to make the support and resistance on any time frame, on any pair. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.